salad of the day is the spectacular sweet potato, baby peas and corn salad. I have steam cooked the sweet potatoes for 10 minutes by adding some salt. Now I am adding some cooked corn kernels, semi-cooked baby peas and some sliced onions and some parsley. You might be thinking why she's adding too much parsley into her salads, because I have so much in my garden. I've also added some roasted capsicum finely chopped. Now this salad dressing, it is a really interesting one. I have blended 1 tablespoon of coconut milk powder along with 1 tablespoon of yogurt and some rosemary leaves. Now I am adding a little bit of lemon juice, salt and pepper and olive oil into this. Give it a nice mix and pour this mixture all over your salad. Now your salad is ready to be served. If you like this recipe, please try it and let me know your feedback. See you soon with another recipe. Bye.